Rhys, how pleasing was it to get back to winning ways?
Yeah, really pleasing. It was a must-win game for us, really, with our ambitions, and after a couple of disappointing performances, well, certainly midweek against Ferry, I was very disappointed with the performance and the result. I thought against Bala we were unlucky not to win and win comfortably, if I'm honest. So great to come out today, and obviously to get the 2 goals first half kind of killed the game in many ways.
Lee, on the wrong end of a 5-0 today. What went wrong out there?
A reality check. It was boys v men. I think Pen-y-bont fully deserved it. He probably should have scored a few more goals as well. I said it after the game against Fflint, that football sends you messages. And I seen it in the Fflint game, and it crept in today. I just felt first contact, second contact, all the basics of football weren't there. And I thought, especially the first 5-10 minutes, I thought they were a bit blowing Pen-y-bont. I thought there was an opportunity there to really get in behind and turn them as they did. And there's nothing wrong with the football that you see. It's quite simple. First ball, long ball, second ball, then play in the final third. That was what Pen-y-bont today, and they were brilliant at that. We just didn't get going. We didn't sort of close anyone down. We didn't sort of any pattern to play. And as I said, football sends messages to you, and I got that last Saturday when we won 5-0.
Noah, how pleasing was that win after a couple of league games without goals?
It was really pleasing. After going out in the cup on Wednesday, we were always looking for a reaction today, so a perfect reaction, really.
Did Fflint give the resistance that you thought they would, or did you find that quite an enjoyable game to play in?
We thought they were going to be really good, but we came out the blocks really fast and caused them lots of problems. So I think they will be a good team this year, but today we would have beat anyone.